how can we identify pathological tracer uptake in PET-CT, not only in the tumor but also in lymph nodes and in metastasis, and how could this help radiologists in assessing this kind of data? My name is Ingrisch. I'm a physicist and a professor for clinical data science at the Department of Radiology. I'm leading a research group for clinical data science, which helps to solve clinically relevant problems by translating modern machine learning approaches to radiology. We identified a clinically relevant problem, the segmentation of tumors on PET-CT images. And we didn't solve this problem ourselves. We addressed the medical image computing community to help us solve this problem in a challenge format. That means participants used our training data to develop a machine learning model to solve this problem of tumor segmentation, and they competed. In the end, the models from the participants were evaluated on a secret test data set, which they have never seen before, and we determined the winner as the team who did the best segmentation on this unknown test data. A clinician and a radiologist often have a clinically relevant problem, a pain point, something that needs to be solved. And this is not easily to see from outside, because from the outside you see only the isolated problem of solving this or that or detecting this or that, but you always need to consider the whole picture. And a non-clinician does not really know what is really clinically relevant. And if they don't work closely together, they will spend a lot of time solving a problem which doesn't actually exist or which doesn't really help in clinical reality. And it's a great advantage that we can bring modern machine learning approaches, modern AI approaches and technologies closer to problems that actually need to be solved. And only if we understand both fields, we can identify and map strategies to solve problems that actually need solving. Maybe the next iteration of large language models or foundation or multimodal foundation models might be super helpful for addressing a clinically relevant problem, and it is our job to bring these disciplines together, these approaches together. I find it very fascinating what machine learning and AI can already do, and I actually like training machine learning models to find something very specific. And my mission is to do that for a clinically meaningful purpose, something to solve a real-world problem that actually exists by means of this fascinating technology. And I believe there's a huge potential in the next years for exactly this kind of work.